Hello and welcome back. This is the third and final video in our tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your dashboard and how to modify your alarms and notification so that you can easily view your data. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, we're going to start off on the dashboard. You'll notice the icons for the gateway and the nodes that you bound to the system. If you'd like a quick view of your node's data, click on Item View. Okay, I'm going to go back to Dashboard. Now click on Edit Mode. This allows you to reposition and resize any icon on the dashboard. To add new icons, click on the New Item tab. This opens a lot of options for you. Too many to cover in this video, but I'll give you a sampling of what's available. If you click on Gauge, a radial gauge will appear. You can change this if you like, but I'm going to go back to Radial and click Add Item. This will add the icon to the dashboard, and once again, this can be resized and repositioned anywhere on the dashboard. Next, I'll click on Register Icon. A simple common on-off status icon appears. Some other options are Register View, Timing, and Tower Light. If you click on Alarm icon, you will see you have many options. I'll quickly scroll through a few to give you an idea of what's available. There are two ways to modify your alarm settings. The first and easiest way is to select the node you want to modify on the dashboard. This will reveal all the associated alarms with the node. Simply click on the blue icon for the alarm you want to change. From here, you can select operations. As you see, you have several options. I'll select greater than or equal to. The yellow square represents the warning temperature. The red square represents the alarm temperature. To change these limits, simply type in the new limits. If you want to add some conditioning to your limits, you can tell the system these limits have to be true for at least 15 minutes before an output is sent. If you want to send an email when the limits are exceeded, click on the Email tab and select which condition you want the emails to be sent and enter an email address. To send multiple emails, click the plus button. The second way to modify alarms is to click the Alarm tab. All the alarms for the nodes bound to the gateway will populate. Scroll down to the node and alarm you want to modify and click the blue Edit tab. The process for modifying your warnings and alarms is the same as before. To add a new alarm, click on the New Alarm tab and assign it a name. Under Data, you'll see all the new alarms you can assign. I'll select Celsius for Node 2 and assign a warning of 10 and 20 for the alarm. Click Save. You'll see success. You'll then be able to click on the new alarm. This will display a graphical representation of the new alarm. If you change your mind, simply click Remove. If you click on the Data tab, you can view all the connected nodes' data. For more details, click on the desired information. A graphical representation of that data will appear. From here, you can change the time frame to view more data over a longer time span. To view multiple data points in one graph, click the View box next to Register Name. Please note that the screen will automatically resize itself to display the requested data. Here we're viewing two registers, but due to resizing, the first register has been reduced in size. Clicking on Dashboard Items reveals a clean layout of all the connected nodes' data. To switch nodes, click on the Sensor tab. For a more feature-rich environment to compare data from various signals, please explore the Graph tab, where graphs can be stored and templated. Okay, I'm now going to go to Gateway and click the plus button. This is where you go to find out more details on your gateway. For example, its current configuration and last time data was pushed. If you'd like to attribute a GPS location to your gateway, click on Map, scroll down, then click the blue icon under Map. Place it in the desired location, then click Confirm. and you're done. There are more features that Banner Cloud Service provides that we don't have the time to cover in this video, but if you'd like to find out more information, visit our website or Setup and Support landing page where you can find more documentation and other tutorial videos. For more information, visit bannerengineering.com.